Hello friends, here is the My Home made portable adjustable power supply. It can adjust between 3 volt to 30 volts with 4 amps of output current. Alright, let me show you how I made this bad boy.
Before you continue, please consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to like this video. Your likes and subscriptions mean a lot to me. It will be a huge motivation for me to do more videos for this channel.
I used this Chinese voltage meter. This meter amp's reading is stupid. You can ignore it. This box is old watch box, and don't use this stupid transistor. This can't handle any load. I will show you much better one. I used this 24 volt for amp transformer to make this, and simple but powerful circuit to control the voltage. And LM317 voltage regulator with NPN power transistor. I will show you complete circuit diagram of this in the end of the video. This is some clip for hold my circuits while I am using this. Okay, let me show you the diagram. Here is the complete circuit diagram. Even brainless monkey can understand this. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe.